goodness in you. Your gentle smile warms my lonely heart. You give your love so sincerely every day, but I haven't been able to return it fully. I don't want to keep hurting you, because my heart is still filled with great doubt. You deserve wholehearted love, not someone who often makes you cry. Your heart is worth more than I realized, and you deserve happiness without pain. You deserve better, someone who always chooses you day after day, who guards your heart with love and loves you without hesitation, forever and always.